Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to flip this. So this becomes 2b c squared over 5a. And as you can see here, that we're going to be able to cancel some stuff out, like the 5's and the a's. We've got a b in the numerator up here, a b squared. Look, c squareds are going to cancel completely out too. So let me just rewrite what we've got, so I don't get too confused. You know what? I'll just write it right here. So we have 2 b, what are we left with? 2b over b squared, I guess. That's what it looks like. And of course that can reduce down to 2 over b. Wow. Amazing. Hopefully I didn't make any little errors there. So all this reduces down to 2 over b. Great. Time to look at another one. Alright. Let's see, what do we got in store? I think I need to mention this real quick. If I had a 4x times, let's say for example, 3x over 2y, okay? So if I had 4x times 3x over 3y, this would just be, you would multiply 4x times 3x, so that would end up being 12x squared over 2y, but of course this would reduce down. 2 goes into 12 6 times. So 6x squared over y. When we were multiplying, I'm not sure I mentioned that, but anyway, so you just multiply this by the numerator, not by the numerator and denominator. You multiply 4x just by the numerator. Alright. Okay, so something a little bit more difficult. How about 2x plus 2 over 5x minus 15 divided by now, you know what? It's not going to be divided by. Let's get rid of that. I'm going to erase that. We're going to multiply because we haven't done one of these yet. X minus 3 over xy plus y. And the reason I'm going so slow is because I'm giving you a chance to hopefully write this stuff down. So we want to simplify this. I'm going to factor out a 2. We'll be left with x plus 2 over, and I'm going to factor out a 5 out of the bottom, and so we'll be left with x minus 3. This is times, so there's nothing we can do there, but we can factor out a y out of this part, and so we'll be left with x plus 1. So now what we want to do is do some canceling. So I can cancel this x minus 3's out, and looks like that's about it. Alright, so we're going to be left with 2 times x plus 5 over 5 times, oops, don't forget the y, about forgot it. Let's throw the y in about right here, and then this would be x plus 1 right there. Alright, so we're done with that.